When I pick her up and I can see her through the window, the doors at the school, and she's got a smile on her face, and she's running up to me and she's holding her art or her painting, and she's trying to show me everything she'd done in that day. And she's explaining to me who she played with and what she ate. You can just see in her face she's had such a fun time.
When I come at the end of the day to pick up my daughter and I see her all like paint and stuff on her, I know she had a full-on blast, happy day. And she would come so excited and trying to tell me, Mommy, I did this, we did that. And she memorizes and mimics everything her educators do. And this shows me how happy and how joyful her day was at the centre.
At Broadmeadows Early Learning Centre, we've got an amazing team of educators. They're very highly experienced, they're very passionate about what they do, and they are very keen to make the experience for the children the best experience that they can.
Our community is amazing. So our community is culturally diverse, and we do have a lot of children with additional needs. This is amazing because it teaches the children respect for one another. It teaches the children about other cultures. So we celebrate every culture that we have here. We don't just celebrate Christmas or Easter, we'll celebrate Eid, we'll celebrate Diwali. Our staffing is quite rich in culture as well, so we're sharing our home life with the children as well as the children sharing theirs with ours.
I will recommend this centre to most of my families and friends and anyone that wants a kinder. When you're looking for a centre, there's a lot of things that you're looking out for, and I think this centre did tick all my boxes.